A very warm welcome to all of you. I am Khushbu Pathak, Assistant Professor, SSME Bhilai. Today I am going to discuss the basics of marketing research. This subject is a part of BBA 5th semester. So, what are the main contents of marketing research? Today I am going to discuss the introduction, objectives, needs, conclusion. So, in introduction, let us discuss about the marketing research. Marketing research has two words like marketing and research. Marketing means buying and selling activities. Research means a systematic and complete study of a problem. It is done by experts. It uses scientific methods. Thus, we can say marketing research is a systematic method of collecting, recording and analyzing of data which is used to solve marketing problems. Basically, marketing is related to buying and selling activities, and there are many factors which covers in the marketing. So, in marketing we are trying to identify the needs and wants of the customer so that we can provide the right type of goods and services to the customers and achieve the profit maximization only after the customer satisfaction. This is about marketing. But what is research? Research is a systematic process. It is a systematic study about a particular problem and providing the solution of these problem and using the scientific tools and techniques so that we can achieve at the right conclusion in a research. So, what marketing research is? Basically, it is a very systematic method of collecting, recording and analyzing of data, and ultimately we are trying to solve marketing related problems that exist in the market. Let's discuss the objectives of marketing research. First, identify the consumer responses to the company's product. For this, we have to identify the needs and actual needs and wants of the customer so that we can provide right goods and services to the customer. So, identifying the consumer responses about the company's product is possible by the marketing research. Next, know the consumers' needs and expectation. First, we have to identify, we need to know about the actual needs and expectation regarding the products and services, the quality of those goods and services, and what are the expectations consumers are having for the company or a particular product. Then seek maximum information about the consumer, that is to know about consumers income range, their location, buying behavior. So the detailed research is required, the detailed data and information is required about the consumer. So we have to collect the data, information related to the age, income, occupation and their location, the actual behavior, attitude and personality of consumers. So this is definitely possible by the marketing research. Know the nature and extent of competition and also the strength and weaknesses of the competitors. So whatever the things are going around in the market or the business scenario, so competitor is one of the very key aspect. We can say the macro environmental factors is one of the micro environmental factor is one of the competitors are there. So what are the strategies and policies they are following, what are the strength and weaknesses of your competitors. So you can explore the whatever the opportunities which is available in the market, so you can explore those opportunities and ultimately achieve your goals and target. So we need to identify the actual working and actual analysis of the competitors, what they are doing in the market. Check the reaction of the dealers to the company policies. So dealing with the dealers is possible, so proper dealings, deciding the company policies. Then evaluate the reputation of the company in the market. So evaluation is definitely done in the market by identifying the by having the actual sales volume, the profit maximization, the actual market share captured by the company. So this is done in the market itself. So we have to evaluate the actual goodwill or the image of the company. Identify and solve marketing related problems of the company. Definitely there are general problems also, there are specific problems also related to the marketing. So we have to identify those problems and we have to solve it. Search for new marketing opportunities. Definitely just we can say for example, most of the time we are seeing that the two-wheeler and four-wheeler is driven by the the petrol and diesel. We are using petrol and diesel, but nowadays it is replaced by the electronic car. The electronic car and electronic bikes are there, so this is one of the substitute for two-wheeler and four-wheeler, and it will save the petrol and diesel. So we need to identify the whatever the new opportunities in the market available in the market, so that we can explore those opportunities and we can develop the right particular goods and services and serve in the market. Find out alternative uses of the existing product. Definitely we need to talk about the customers. We need to get aware the customer about the actual uses and applications of our products in a different manner. So alternative users should be governed and should be aware the customers about these alternative uses. Estimate the cost of the marketing of goods and services. Cost estimation is very important. So it is decided by the organization that what actual cost we have incurred about producing a product, at what price we are going to sell the product, the actual selling price of the product. So cost estimation is also required. Help company to introduce new product in the market and improve its existing products. So by getting the right informations and data, we can use these data by using these data and information, and we can develop the new product and introduce in the market, as well as we can identify, we can modify our goods and services that is already exist in the company. So we can have some modification, and again we can provide these existing products to the customers. Assist a company to select a suitable channel of distribution and test the effectiveness of this distribution channel. So deciding a distribution channel, selecting those in distribution channel and checking the effectiveness, it is possible by marketing research. Facilitate company to select suitable sales promotion measures and test the effectiveness of the sales promotion techniques. Definitely sales promotion techniques we can select. The effectiveness is also checked by the organization. Aids the company to select a suitable media of advertising and find out the overall impact of the advertising. So definitely we are collecting the informations consists of the various dimension. We are talking about the channel of distribution, the sales promotion aspect, the advertising. So we are product related, product modification, packaging, pricing, branding. So we are collecting the numerous data and information from the market, and using these data and information in a very different manner for the organization and for its goal achievement. So definitely media selection is possible, and we can check the impact of these advertising media effectiveness. Help the marketing manager to decide about the quality of the product, product modification, packaging, pricing and branding. So these are the 4 P's aspect: product, place, price, promotion. 4P marketing mix related elements are there. So marketing manager is definitely decide and collect the information about these 4 P's of marketing research, marketing mix. Then provide information to top level of management for making objectives, policies, plans and strategies. So definitely if you are collecting the data and information which is currently available to us, and we are using this data and information for performing the business operations, for the marketing operations, so it is very easy for the top level management for framing the deciding or setting the objective, framing the policies, plans and strategies. Provides prerequisite information to forecast the marketing budget. So forecasting is possible, how much budget is required, how much funds we are having, how much we can invest in, how much we can going to use these our funds, so that we can produce a particular product and make available our product in the market. So forecasting is definitely possible, and budget allocation is possible. Supply up-to-date information about market trends, demand and supply position. Definitely if you are collecting the information related to the market, so market trend information will be there. What is the demand of our product, so what amount of goods and services is required to supply in a particular market, so that maximum sales is possible, and we can achieve the profit maximization objective is possible. forecast the future sales and business condition. Again, we can forecast about how much sales volume we can achieve in the coming months, in the coming quarter or coming 6 monthly manner, and we can definitely forecast about the actual business condition of the company. Marketing research is very useful to government, manufacturers, wholesalers, retailers, consumers, and to entire society. Definitely it helps in the various dimensions and definitely helps in to the various stakeholders is possible. Then let us discuss about the needs of marketing research. Why marketing research is needed? Collect latest data on demand and supply in the market. So what we are doing? We are collecting the latest data and information about the demand of our products, what supply we are going to provide our goods and services, find out new market and create more demand for goods. So we can explore some new market and we can create more demand about our product. Analyze the extent of competition in the market. So how much competition is there in the market, we can analyze. Find out the best technology for production, packaging. So we can decide the particular technique which we are going to follow. Fill information gap between producer and consumer. Definitely it is possible by advertisement, sales promotion, and collecting the data and information which is up to date, and definitely these data and information are available about the customer to the producers. Collect consumer related data for decision making. So decision making is very important aspect for the organization. It is only possible by the right data of and information availability. Supply latest and reliable data to decision makers, because latest data is required. Old data is not required because market scenarios definitely it is very changing. It is volatile in nature. Dynamism is there in the market, so latest data is required. Study changing consumer pattern. Definitely marketing research is study about the changing consumer patterns, the needs, the requirements, the taste and preferences, the likes and dislikes, the fashion, the taste of these customers, so that definitely we can identify these things about the customers. So we can discuss the needs of marketing research in a very detailed manner. Like first, expansion of market. Due to development in means of transport and communication, market has expanded from local to global level. The structure of market has also changed. There is a need for marketing research to collect latest data on demand and supply in the market, extent of competition, that etc. This data is used to make production and marketing policies and strategies. So why marketing research is needed? Because of expanding our market. We can expand our market, we can expand our products and services, the extent of competition. We can collect the data and information about the what demand we have, what supply what supply is needed about our products and services. So we can decide about the proper production and marketing related policies and strategies we can take. So it is only possible by the marketing research. So it is very important to have a marketing research for any organization. So market expansion of market is done. So we can implement different policies and strategies, identify the data, identify the demand and supply of our product in the actual market. Large scale production. Automation has helped to produce goods of standard quality on a large scale. There is a need for marketing research to find out new market or to create more demand for these goods. So definitely right now we are using the latest tools and techniques, the new technique machineries, the equipments, the plant setup which we are using for the large scale production. We are able to produce products in a large quantity, but demand should be created in the market from the side of the consumer. This is only possible by the marketing research. So the demand will definitely increase about our goods and services, so that we can achieve the maximum profit, and more product will going to sell in the market. Increased competition. Competition is unavoidable in an open and globalized economy. It has endangered the survival and growth prospects of many firms. There is a need for marketing research to analyze the extent of competition. It also provides steps to fight competition. Definitely, marketing research helps first to identify the competition, then identify and analyzing the extent of competition, means how much competition which we are facing in the market, and what are the different type of competitors available in the market, analyzing the extent of competition, and ultimately providing the steps and solutions to fight competition in the market. So marketing research is very important because competition is an unavoidable phenomena. So every company has to deal with the competition, level of competition in the market. Growth of science and technology. Increasing use of science and technology has helped to reduce the cost of production and improve the quality of production. There is a need for marketing research to find out the best technology for production, packaging, data and storing. So definitely by the advancement of science and technology, it is possible to reduce the cost of production, improve the quality of product, and we can use the latest tools and techniques for production and packaging and data storing. Then information gap. Due to centralized production and decentralized consumption, there is an information gap between producer and consumer. This information gap can be filled by the marketing research, hence it is needed. So information gap to be filled is required by producers must have the updated and the current data and information about the various aspects and dimensions of the market or the current business situation, so that information gap can be filled only by the marketing research. Role of consumerism. Today, consumers are organized, they are aware of their rights and duties. They are now more selective, they will not accept any inferior quality products. Consumer research is needed to collect demographic and psychological data about consumers. This data is used for decision making. There is a need for marketing research as consumer research is a part of it. So role of consumerism has increased day by day. We can say consumers are right now they are aware about the actual rights and privileges, the duties of the customers. They are aware about these things. So they will not going to accept the inferior quality product. Even then they wants the right type of goods and services that suits to their likes and preferences, taste and fashion. So consumer research is done for knowing about the consumer, but definitely consumer research is one of the part of marketing research. So marketing research is required for knowing the level of and role of consumerism. Then information needs. There is a need for marketing research to supply latest and reliable data to the decision makers. This will improve the quality and success rate of decisions. Definitely, proper decisions, right type of decision making is only possible just because of marketing research. Marketing research is supplying the latest and reliable and authentic and accurate data and information so that we can take the right decision in the organization. Consumer pattern. Consumers are now more quality conscious. They are willing to pay a higher price but for a better quality. There is a need for marketing research to study the likes and dislikes, preferences and interest of rural as well as urban consumers. Definitely marketing research help to know about the consumer patterns, their likes, dislike, preferences, taste, fashion. So this is only possible just because of marketing research, because people are not going to accept the lower quality product or in a higher price. So they are about the quality, they are very much aware about the quality related aspect of a particular product and about the pricing related aspect. So we need to identify, we need to know about the actual consumer pattern. This is only possible by the marketing research. Conclusion: marketing research is very useful tool and very helpful to solve various problems related to marketing, provides solutions, helping managers in planning, implementing, controlling and decision making. So marketing research is a very important tool. It helps in performing various functions of the market or the organization, planning, implementation, controlling, and very important aspect is decision making is possible by the marketing research.